sinning throughout the week, hustling every day, getting it as we speak. Listen to preacher preach, choir singing the song, ain't clapping her hands, mama singing along. I'm impatient, I wanna leave. Can't let my mama see I ain't listening to the word. Not like I don't believe, but I'm tripping, nobody perfect. To speak it wouldn't be worth it for a person to be so Christ-like, but I swear I've heard him cursing. Let him without no sins cast the first stone. But I am so not him, so let me go on. Get home and hear what finest had on. Who fainted while this